Assalamu alaikum, Mr. Kalim Khan. So I want to tell you one secret here. You see, you should go Google New York Times. New York Times. You write the New York Times. What time is it? 10 after 10 o'clock. You must read always after 10 o'clock. If you want the New York season, 90% of the time the setup is available after 10 o'clock. 8 o'clock season is open. 9 o'clock is for the third time. 10 o'clock is entry time. If you miss, you miss. You understand? For me, now it's what time? It's 4:42 or 5 o'clock, South African time. Just now. So this time, most of I sleep. I am done with the London. London time to trade London. You just go what time? 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock. That time. You understand? So if I say direction is sell, that direction most of the time the market will be done from that time. Running high. Like morning we sell up high. They hit my stop loss again. I sell it. I get some recovery, a small recovery again. I buy again, recovery again. I recover and run away. You see, I lost in the morning $30. I recover $30. I make that $15. I'm run away. Finish. I'm done for the day. So please wait this time. Let me go to the chart. Show you. This time is what time? Eight o'clock is first hour. 9 o'clock is second hour. 10 o'clock is third hour. You see here? After second hour, 3 to 4. There's 2 to 3, 3 to 4. 4 o'clock, 3 to 4. 4 o'clock is there. After this hour is finished, can you see? There are your Philips on here. What do you see there? This is where we sell this morning. I put my stop loss there, 48. They hit my stop loss, run back. You see? I was correct with direction. But timing is important. The most important is timing. Yesterday, what time we find the entry? Same area. Yesterday, what time? This was 10 o'clock. The direction take 10 o'clock. The 10 o'clock club. Okay, London time. What time we find it yesterday? 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock. So this is that hour again. This way, 2 to 3, 3 to 4. You see, London time. This is where the entry come. We sell yesterday. You see. Again, I was buying, but this was a scalping buy. It's a true buy. You guys, you understand with me? So if you're using this one, use stop loss, tight stop loss, because it's not timing window. You see, this time I catch some scalping here. This I catch an evening time, night time, Asian time. This one was a timing window also, Asian time window. This one what time? What time is this? Just look at time. It's 10 a.m. 10 o'clock, 10 hour. You see? At 10 o'clock. That's the best time to get a trade, brother. So if you can wait that time, I'm sure you're gonna make a lot of money, brother. So I was buying this also, but I was using stop loss. I ran away with small profit, 50 pip, 50 pip. I was running away. Using 1 minute chart. I was running away. You see? So you have to be like me. Or wait for the time. There's 2 ways you can make money. Without that, you're gonna just struggle. I wish now you understand my bonds.